Hey guys, this is Sin and welcome back to my channel, Stampin' Munchkins. Today is an exciting day. I'm unboxing my Glowforge Plus. Don't pay retail. Use my Glowforge referral link to save up to $500. It's in the description below. So here's the box, and I really wanted this for a while, but I finally decided to get it. So I'm doing my unboxing. I'm going to apologize in advance because you see a lot of my back. Hi! Can you see how excited I am? Okay, so I'm speeding it up because you don't want to see me struggling. So here's the box. It came really quick. It was supposed to, I ordered it on January 1st, and when I ordered it, it gives you an estimated delivery date, and that was January 26th. And I got an email that said it was delayed and might come delayed to mid-February. But guys, it showed up. I got my UPS delivery, and it came on Friday. So this is from it's super easy to set up. I'm just using my computer, which you'll see me refer to slightly off screen on the left. And it just tells you exactly what to do, what areas of the tape and everything to take off. It's super simple. So like I said, you'll see me refer to my laptop on the left. The first thing to do was take off that orange tape outside, lift the cover, take out that foam from the front, drop your cover, which I'm doing now, and we have to unscrew those knobs on both sides. And you guys keep everything, because if you don't keep your packing box and all these orange parts except the orange tape, if you need to send it back for repair or anything, they will charge you $250 to send you the packing material. Okay, so the next step after the knobs is to take off the foam in the back. And the foam underneath has your print head and the lens remover, which is a little blue thing, which I'll show you in a second. But be careful. It's really hard to take out because it's in there snug, and you don't want to drop anything. So just be careful. You can see I was struggling. And here's that little blue thing. Don't throw it away. And it comes with one lens wipe, and that black part is the printer head. They call it a printer, but it's actually a laser cutter. So next thing is to take off that orange tape, and it is attached to that ribbon. So be careful when you take it off the ribbon. Hold the ribbon so you don't tear anything. And now we're going to take off that orange tab on the bottom, and it tells you exactly how to do it. So I had to push down hard, and it just snapped off. So now I'm going to attach, take out those red silicone parts on the side, on the track, on the left and right sides. And it came in two boxes. This is the accessory pack, which came in a smaller box. And now we're going to put in the crumb tray. The crumb tray is really heavy, so I didn't realize how heavy it was. But just put it in, and there's like two little notches on the bed of the Glowforge, so make sure it's seated in there really well. So it's in there. Thumbs up. And next is we're going to close the front cover, and we're going to attach the printer head. So we're going to move the printer part way to the right, push the tube part all the way to the back, and we're going to snap in the printer head. And it's magnetized, so it just you just kind of place it there, and it just like snaps on. And you notice I did touch the mirror very lightly. I used my lens wipe that came in the box to clean it, and it should be okay. Oh, sorry, first you clip in the ribbon, and be careful again. And again, I apologize that you're only seeing my back. I will figure out how to set up a better filming angle so you see things better. So I attached the printer head. Again, it was magnetized. Make sure it moves left to right easily, and it did. So now we're going to set up the exhaust. And I'm not going to lie, guys, this was the hardest part. So it came with one 4-inch duct, which is like a dryer vent duct. But I did buy extra because oh yeah, I named her Glowbaby. Isn't she cute? Anyway, she's a big girl. So did the exhaust, which is going to go out my window. I'm going to connect to the electrical power with the electrical cord and just put it to the back. And it suggests that you plug it directly into the wall outlet, not a surge protector. So now we're going to turn it on. It's so exciting, guys. We're almost there. Look at that. The lights came on, and I'm not going to be printing because this is kind of late, but my first cut will be showing in another video. And so the next thing is I'm connecting my Glowforge to the Wi-Fi. First your Glowforge machine and gets hooked up, and then you hook up to your own Wi-Fi. And that's what I did. That's where you get to name your Glowforge if that's what you want to do. And I did name her Glowbaby. And look how happy I am. I am so happy. I have so many things I want to do. I already know what my first project is going to be. All hooked, so she's all hooked up. You can see, named her Glowbaby. Hard to see my screen. And again, sorry for all the awkward angles. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And here's another video you might like and a card making playlist. And as always, click on my face to subscribe. Aloha!